You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. राजधानी शहर शिलांग की नाजुक कानून और व्यवस्था पतन के कगार पर है, लेकिन सरकार वास्तविकता को स्वीकार करने के लिए किसी भी मूड में नहीं दिख रही है। पूरे अप्रैल में शहर में पेट्रोल बम हमलों की एक श्रृंखला जारी है। इसी संदर्भ में आज मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड संगमा का बयान आया, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि हम इन सब घटनाओं को लेकर सतर्क है और घटनाओं के पीछे शामिल अपराधियों को पकड़ने के लिए हर संभव। वहीं उन्होंने पत्रकारों के सवालों के जवाब देते हुए कहा, इतना आसान नहीं है कि पुलिस शक के आधार पर किसी को भी पकड़ ले। पुलिस सीसीटीवी फुटेज और बाकी तथ्यों को की जांच कर रही है और लगातार हम अपराधियों को पकड़ने के प्रयासरत है। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि सीधे तौर पर किसी ग्रुप या संगठन को इन घटनाओं के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहराया जा सकता जब तक कि आपके पास पर्याप्त सबूत न हो। रही बात घटनाओं के पीछे की कारणों की, तो कारण कुछ भी हो, परंतु यह सीधे तौर पर अपराध है और अपराधी को कानून के मुताबिक पकड़ा जाएगा और सजा दी जाएगी।
You see, there were certain incidents that took place. And the government was firm in ensuring that whatever necessary steps had to be taken were taken to arrest individuals who were involved in certain incidents based on pure evidence and facts. And because of that, we did expect that there would be some reaction. So number one, we should be very, very clear that this is a reaction to certain reactions or certain actions that took place. And therefore, we were not surprised as such, but yes, it has been happening very often. But we are very much aware and we are working towards ensuring that none of these incidents should happen. And the police has taken further steps. I don't want to go into details. But we are on the job, and I want to assure the people that the government is taking steps to contain the situation. These kind of incidents require, again, arrests have to be made based on evidence. We cannot arrest people just because somebody says it is somebody or somebody, gives the names of somebody. It has to be based either on some kind of a CCTV recording or some kind of videos. So we have not been able to collect that. These incidents have been very, very spread out in different corners of the city, and hence it's not always possible to get the recordings and the evidences that are there. So all steps and everything that is done by the government is always based on evidence, and therefore that is what we're basing it on. And as and when we get the evidence, obviously action will be taken. Well, it has happened after that, but as I said, for us to jump to conclusions and say that these individuals, without basing it on facts and evidence, would be incorrect. Government cannot go on speculation, or the police cannot act on speculation and on logical kind of connection and say that, well, this is what is happening. It has to be based on facts and evidence. And hence, as and when the facts and evidence are there, definitely government has taken action in the past and will take action in the future also. And the police and the government will go as per the law, and if anybody commits a crime, then the law has procedures to go forward to take action against those people who commit crimes. And hence it's not about any organization or anybody from a particular this group or that group. It is purely based on crime and purely based on law and purely based on evidence, and that's how we've been moving forward. And that's how we will move forward in the future also. I've mentioned again that we are on the job. The police is on the job, and we are very sure that the situation will be under control. So I assure the people of the city and the state that government is doing everything in its capacity to ensure that these incidents are controlled and they don't happen in the future.
Sir,